All right, we have to shift focus to more breaking news coming in. Kabaddi player Gurvinder Singh has been allegedly shot and killed in the Samrala block of Ludhiana. The notorious Lawrence Bishnoi gang has taken responsibility on social media for this killing. This marks the second such incident involving a Kabaddi player in the region in recent days. Earlier on 31st of October, the player identified as Tejpal was also murdered and shot dead in Ludhiana. That is the big breaking news that we are getting in from Punjab, where a Kabaddi player, Gurvinder Singh, has been shot and killed in the Samrala block. The Lawrence Bishnoi gang has now claimed responsibility for this killing, as they have put up a post on social media. And this marks the second such incident involving a Kabaddi player in the region in recent days. And we'll try to pick up more details about the possible motive behind this killing, how many people were involved, what exactly happened that led to the killing of this man. The visual of the victim on your screen, this is the Kabaddi player, Gurvinder Singh, who was shot and killed in Ludhiana's Samrala block by Bishnoi gang members, as they have claimed a responsibility. The second murder in 1 week reporting in Ludhiana. Let's go across to my colleague Lalit, who joins me live with more details. Lalit, tell us what happened and give us more details.
If we talk about the two murders which have been reported in the past 4 days, now two Kabaddi players have been shot. The recent one is Gurvinder Singh, who was shot dead on Monday evening in Ludhiana Samrala block. And the responsibility for the murder has been taken by the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, and a social media post has been posted on social media by Anmol Bishnoi taking the responsibility of killing the Kabaddi player Gurvinder Singh. Other than that, if we talk about on 31st October, Tejpal Singh, a 25-year-old Kabaddi player, was also shot near the SSP office in Ludhiana. So in that matter also, police have arrested two accused, and it has been said that it was a rivalry between them, due to which Tejpal was being shot in the broad daylight. But yes, right, now there has been a lot of panic all across Punjab, as in the past 4 to 5 days, two Kabaddi players have been shot in daylight in Ludhiana, and it seems that after the social media post which has been posted, the Lawrence Bishnoi gang has taken the responsibility. Yes. A lot of panic could be seen all across